Basta kapag pinapahalagaan mo isang tao, pag pinahalagaan mo siya, you love them. Dapat yung mga bagay at mga tao mahal mo. Ganun din yung gawin mo, pahalagaan.
The love is being selfless. Sabi nga po ni Misayo, agila kanina sa ibula, parang putting the first of others first before yours.
Okay. So, how many times have you been in love? Not necessarily romantic, could be familial love or love for pets or whatever.
Well, maraming beses na.
Always in love.
Maraming beses na po kasi kapag mahal akong tao.
Okay. Ako naman dito, always naman po. Kasi, especially family, family and the people you care about is the ones that yung binibigyan mo ng care and love. So always, I'm always in love.
Well,
hindi mo makatulog.
Siguro kapag lagi mo siyang iniisip, hindi lang yung sa movie. Siguro kapag lagi mo siyang iniisip, tapos, well, kasi wala namang sense, feeling ko kapag in love ka, you never have to question. Parang alam mo na yun agad sa puso mo, sa sarili mo. Mahal mo isang bagay mo.
Like, okay.
Siguro you know when you're in love dito, kapag ano ka you give special attention to certain people or to a person. Tapos you feel good whenever you're around that person and parang yung taong to yung cause ng happiness mo whenever you're around this person, you feel good. That's when you know maybe you're in love.
Ayos naman po. Pili ko naman po lahat naman po tayo na nakasama.
Yes po. Kumbaga parang as we grow older po, parang yung buhay is bibigyan tayo ng mga patikim dito. So, yes, I've been heartbroken also.
Siguro po, to some extent. To some extent.
Ako, yes dito, in terms of wrong choices. I've made wrong choices in my life before. So, that causes parang may mga nasaktan akong tao before. Because of that choices, medyo hindi naging maganda yung repercussions niya in terms of my relationship to that person.
Are you in love now? In general?
In general, yes po. I'm in love with you.
Yes, dito, of course. In love, always.
Bless ko.
Kasi nagiging parang source of inspiration ko rin kahit pa paano yung mga bagay na papaligaya sa
Yes po, always inspired and parang driven ka regardless of what you're feeling, if you don't feel well, or if you don't feel like doing the things that you want to do. Kasi if you put love into things that you do, yun po yung magpupush you to excel and do better with those activities po. So parang yung ano talaga po is you put love in everything kasi it will love you back in return.
Naman po, meron lang konting adjustments po na kailangan. Pero okay naman po so far.
So, less appearance on Bulaga?
Bulaga
Yes po.
po. Kasi Sinag of Peace po kasi.
That's the name of the character?
Yes po, Sinag.
Sinag.
Sinag of Peace po. Simple lang po siya. Simple yung babae. Normal na mga yun. Masayahin. Tapos medyo kalog din. Dun sa part mo na yun, parang medyo na kikita ko yung sarili ko din sa pagka-bitter sa love ng couple. Yes, may ganun lang siya.
Siya yun?
Yes po, siya. Hindi ko naman po nakikita sa sarili ko.
Ito is Benjamin Gonzalez. Dito. I'm a struggling architect na hindi po siya masyadong binayaan ng wealth. So, he only lives with his mom. And medyo ano rin siya happy-go-lucky. Medyo walang pakiusik boy. But always try to do things na makakaganda sa buhay nila ang ina. So I guess that's what yung character ko na common denominator namin ni Benji.
Personal problems po namin. Share naman po namin.
Yes po, because dito, araw-araw kami magkasama and we work most of the time together. So it's really kind of, yung parang to build a relationship po, parang part po siya.
What do you usually talk about? On the set? Details, ha?
Pamangkin mo.
Pamangkin mo? What about?
Kinukit kasi si Alden.
Niece or nephew?
Nephew po. Kinukit si Alden. Tapos, yun lang po yung pinag-usapan namin pala.
So minsan yung work and the characters, most especially kasi we're doing a soap.
Ikaw mayroon ganun kissing scene?
Of course po, magkakaroon niya.
Pero wala po kami.
Wala pa po doon sa
Do you rehearse before a singer?
ano po, ilalapit lang po ng konti, pero sa take doon na po gagawin. Kumaga, for blocking purposes po for camera, but hindi ko po
Hindi naman
i-rehearse.
tayo
In Destiny?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes po.
Okay. What if in the long run, Destiny will bring you together?
Well, hindi naman po namin pinapangunahan lagi yung buhay kasi parang it's law of attraction po. When you think about something and you believe in it sa puso mo, gagawa yung universe and si Lord na paraan to make that happen. And
Pero kung hindi siya destined.
kung hindi siya destined,
Hindi siya destined.
then wala po tayong magagawa.
Destiny talaga.